did that shit. Popping tags in Paris, France. Bring your friend, I like a fly little bitch.
Yo, what's up guys, Benevolent. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like Until Japan and his song Die Like This off the new album Trompe. Now I've been wanting to do an Until Japan preset for a while now, and he just dropped this album, so it felt like the right time. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna just show you guys the song Die Like This by Until Japan.
I didn't know I was going, but I kept on going, yeah, I did that shit. Popping tags in Paris, France. Bring your friends, I like a fly little bitch. Niggas be living their lives based on lies. How do you do that shit? That make me sick. I got some money on the way, so no, y'all can't make me sick. I'ma die like this, and I live like this. Whoa. Some niggas wanna take my life, you gotta see this shit. Oh, some niggas wanna take my spot, you gotta get this shit. Yo, they don't like how I came in hot, bitch, you can suck this dick. Whoa.
Okay, so that was Die Like This by Until Japan. Now I'm gonna show you guys my raw vocals like always. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off these presets and show you guys this is what my raw vocals sound like, trying to sound like Until Japan.
Going, but I kept on going, yeah, I did that shit. Popping tags in Paris, France. Bring your friends, I like a fly little bitch.
Okay, so not the worst raw vocals we've had on this channel, but yeah, you can clearly tell they're not great. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on all my presets here, and this is what it sounds like.
I ain't know I was going, but I kept on going, yeah, I did that shit. Popping tags in Paris, France. Bring your friend, I like a fly little bitch. Brothers be living their lives based on lies. How you do that shit? It make me sick. I got some money on the way, so now y'all can't make me sick. I'ma die like this, and I live like this. Whoa, something do wanna take my life, you gotta steal this shit. Oh, something do wanna take my spot, you gotta get this shit. Yo, you don't like how I came in hot, bitch, you can say this dick. Whoa.
So yeah, that's what my Until Japan presets sound like, and all three of these presets will be completely free in the Discord. But if you want this whole FLP that you see on your screen, it'll also come with a template ready to record in with these presets set up. And on top of all that, it also comes with my Best Waves Master preset, which I did use on this cover. It also comes with the Stock Master for those of you that don't have Waves plugins, and this Waves Master and Stock Master are both $10 on the website, so if you get this FLP, you'll be saving a little bit of money because it's only $15. But enough with the promo, I'm going to show you guys where to get these free Until Japan presets. So if you go into the Discord, you scroll down here to Benevolent Presets. In this text channel, you see the Until Japan presets at the very bottom, and if you scroll up, there's a whole bunch of free presets. There's like over 100 presets in there now. They're all completely free, so go check those out, go try them out in your songs. And yeah, now real quick, I'm gonna show you guys how to actually use these presets once you drag them into FL. So once you're in here, all you do is you click on the preset you want to record in, and then you click right here, and then you click on whatever your mic is. Mine is N2, and then, oh, that's so loud. I'm gonna turn off the monitoring just because it's really loud in my ears and it's really delayed. But you click on your input, and then you click the record button, and then you click play, and it records your vocals. And that's how you do it. And then if you want monitoring back on, you just click right here. And yeah, the last thing I'm gonna show you guys real quick is my auto-tune settings for these. So this song was in the key B flat minor. There is no detune, and I used a retune speed of 4 and a humanize of 28 on the main. And then on the ad-lib, I used a retune speed of 4 and a humanize of 21. And then on the other ad-lib, I did the exact same settings. And yeah, the ad-libs are pretty much identical. There's like slight little differences. But one's in the left ear, one's in the right ear, because that's what I heard in the original song, so you could play around with those. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video. So if this video helped you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artist you think I should do next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.